Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create fantasy spark glow using color dodge in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place a dark fantasy background on a large canvas. I create a new blank layer and set it to color dodge. Using a small soft brush, I gently paint spark particles around the magical elements in the scene. The brightness is strong, so I reduce opacity immediately to keep control. I pause frequently, zooming out to check emotional balance. Next, I duplicate the layer for depth and apply a slight blur to merge the spark glow naturally. I add a mask to clean up areas where sparks feel chaotic. I adjust opacity again until the spark effect feels immersive, magical, and visually appealing.